everyone. So today we're going to be doing a special review. We have Olight's limited edition i5t EOS in camo finish. Now this came out about 3 months ago. I picked it up in one of their flash sales because I like the i5t models, but I was really sold on this finish. It's really unique, but we'll go ahead and take a look at that in a bit. Right now, let's look at the specs. So just like Olight's other i5ts, this has two modes, high and low. On high, you get 300 lumens, which drops down to 30 lumens to prevent the LED from overheating and killing your light. Low mode will give you 15 lumens with a runtime of 20 hours on a full battery. Now this is waterproof. It's rated at IPX8. And this light runs off your standard AA battery, which I really like because in a pinch you can find those pretty much at any store. If your battery is dead, you can stop off at a gas station, pick up a new pack of batteries, swap them out, and you're good to go. And like all of Olight's other lights, you got that 5-year warranty promise. If anything goes wrong with your light, contact Olight's amazing customer service team, and they'll either help you out, or if it's the light, they'll send you a new one, which happened to me. And since then, I've been really fond of Olight. And again, they have a phenomenal customer service team. I really recommend Olight's for that reason. But let's go ahead and open this and take a look at this awesome light. So right out the box, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the tail switch, unscrew it, and what you're going to do is remove this little round yellow circle. It's just a little piece of film that prevents the battery from making contact with the tail switch, which prevents your light from turning on in transit. So just screw the tail switch back on and you're good to go. But let's take a look at this awesome finish. It's really unique, definitely not your everyday camo. It's essentially a desert tan base with gold and blue camo accents. And the video does not do justice. You also have that anodized blue pocket clip, which allows you to put it in your pocket this way or this way. It's a really nice design. I really like it. But if you don't use the pocket clip, you can simply remove it. It's easy to do. Just pull it off, and you can put this in a holster, a sheath, or EDC pocket organizer. But let's go ahead and take a look at how to operate this. So what you have here is a locking momentary switch, which means to get to momentary low, what you're going to do is do a soft press. That'll get you low, and release it will turn it off. So to go to a constant low, what you're going to do is do a full click, and now you're on constant low. So then you just do another click to turn it off. So to get to high, what you're going to do is turn it on to low mode. Now you're going to do a quick off and on, and you'll be in high mode like this, off, on. So now you're in that high mode. You can also turn it off and do a momentary high function like this. Just double tap it twice, 1, 2. Now you're in high mode. Let it go. It turns off. Now some people don't like this light because they say you can't go to directly high mode, but I found a way to bypass that, and that is simply by utilizing the momentary high function. So do the double tap like this, 1, 2. Now you're in high, and you're just going to complete the click. Let's turn it off. Let's take a look at that again. You're going to double tap it, 1, 2, complete the click. Now you're in high mode. So once you master that, it'll look like this. and you could pretty much go directly to high mode. But overall, I really like this light. It's got a gorgeous finish. I have nothing bad to say about this light. It's really handy. It's actually my everyday carry. I have a i5t that I always keep on me in my pocket, and it's just an awesome product. But before we go, let's go ahead and take this out back and see how it operates in the dark. Okay, we're here in the backyard now. We're going to be taking a look at the i5t. So here's the first mode, which is 15 lumens. It's good for up close viewing. This is good for light reading, looking at a map, just trying to find your way around a dark house. Doesn't have much throw to it. Now let's go into the high mode. And that is 300 lumens. That really has a nice flood to it. Allows you to see far enough. And then just click to turn off.